I'm going to show you how to turn your rug from this to this using these rug shaving clippers. After you shave your rug down flat, some of your lines will probably look something like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is separate the colors so that there's no blending. You can do this with a pair of scissors or tweezers, and this will make the whole trimming process so much quicker and easier. Once you do that, pick where you want to start and pull the yarn towards the edge that you're going to trim. Next, line up the corner of your shaver with the bottom edge of the color you're wanting to trim. Then hold your shaver at a slight angle and slowly start following that edge. The reason for doing this is to create a rounded edge, which will prevent the colors from overlapping and make a clear color separation. Once you've trimmed one side, you can move to the line next to it and just repeat this process for the whole rug. If the design has smaller details, I like to use a pair of scissors so I don't take too much material off. Then I shave it down one more time just to make sure everything's level. And lastly, I'll trim the entire edge so it looks as clean as possible. And that's it. It takes a bit of time and practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's super satisfying and it makes your rugs look way more professional.
Hi, so let's carve a rug. Follow us, but before we go here, I want you to know this is where we started. Then we got midway and we finished. After finishing, we did the gluing off camera. Then we came back and did the flat trimming. Sizing the flat trimming. Right now we're doing detailed carving. This is where we separate colors, one colors from another, making them not mix, making your design 3D. You see what we're doing? Do you see this, manenos? Now this is what we call carving a rug using a pair of clippers. These clippers nizi peke yake ndo zinaweza. So don't be cheap. Now we're removing any foreign material, anything that was not part of the design and is looking up there just popping, we're removing it. Then we are back again to more carving. Carving is mostly done at the lines where two colors meet. Back at it again and again, because today that's what we're doing. Yada. Hapa, this is now where we remove all the loose fibers that never caught, that were never properly, never caught the glue, and after that we're done. So guys, can you rate?
Hi guys, this is where we start our carving, from here. Not when you're shaving, carving, when you're tufting. As you can see, here is some space, here is not, because I will not do the carving here. So we leave some space here, yes, it's half of centimeter. If we will leave it, after when we will carve, we will fill these lines. First, before the shaving, before the carving, use this tool. Second, use this tool to shave the rug. And now let's do the carving. As you can see, here is the protection. We will not cut the tufting cloth. If you will use it like this, not like this, like this, we will use 30 degrees, maybe more. There was a gap between two colors. You will not see the difference now, but you will feel it if you will put the finger there. And it will so easy to feel it with the machine. You will not see the tufting cloth, yeah? It's not scary, it's so fast, it's so easy. If you will go very deep, even in this way you will not see the tufting cloth. That's my experience, that's my secret. So, good luck!